Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the FunJoy 1/9 scale DC Studios Superman 1/9 scale action figure from FunJoy. Thank you very much, Laro Anan, for providing this figure for unboxing and review. Thank you also for sponsoring this video. If you want to get these super cool action figure na Superman, punta lang kayo sa Laro Anan on Facebook and Laro Anan on Shopee. This figure costs are around 2,450 pesos only. Okay, this is the front of the packaging. Very nice high quality cardboard. Meron dito magnetic flap. Open din natin. First tray, nandito yung action figure. Second tray, nandito naman yung accessories. And third tray, nandito yung extra head sculpt. Balik tayo sa packaging. Superman 1/9 scale sa side. DC, tapos may FunJoy na logo. FunJoy is a Chinese brand. Ito ay authentic at original. Hindi to fake, hindi to KO, hindi to bootleg. Okay, mga ma'am, sir? Shot of the action figure, very cool. Ang ganda ng pagka-layout nila dito. So you have information about the product. Meron din mga QR codes. At the side, Superman 1/9 scale action figure. Tama yan ang spelling ng action nila kasi dati Actioin. Yun yung spelling ng action. Pero ngayon tama na siya. Then the Superman logo, very cool. Review na natin yung figure. Okay, first tray buksan na natin. Okay. Wow, very nice. Well, unfortunately, itong figure na to medyo nasira lang yung joint ng kamay niya. Okay? So, unfortunately, ganun siya. Noong pinaglalaroan ni Laroanan, unfortunately, nasira yung peg. So, yun yung issue dito. Okay? Pero sa stock lang na to, yung mga ibang brand new, for sure, maayos naman yung mga joints nun. And then you have the oblong na base. Very nice kasi para siyang IC base. And then you have the text na Superman. Attach lang natin to dito. Okay. Medyo mahirap lang siyang i-attach. Okay, cool. Ingat lang kayo dito kasi medyo mahirap siyang i-articulate. And also, this is spring-loaded. Pag gusto nyo ng mga dynamic poses, ma-hold naman si Superman dito using the spring-loaded na clamp. And also, meron din siyang alt hands, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now, looking at the action figure, sobrang, grabe, sobrang worth it nito mga monster dahil lang sa head sculpt. Look at the head sculpt. Kamukha talaga ng actor na si David Cornswet. Grabe mga monster. Sobrang ganda nito. Ang ganda rin nung weathering nila kasi alam ko meron nitong stock na not to, yung stock version, yung clean version. Ito yung mas weathered version. So significantly yung suit merong mga dark na shadows. In-spray nila to using an airbrush sa mga deep parts. So you have the chest. Tapos dito rin sa pagitan ng kanyang underpants. And then you also have the dark parts dito sa may boots and then sa ilalim ng paa. Sa cape, wala mga dark parts. Okay? Plastic quality is nice. Very sturdy. Wala namang mga loose na mga joints. And also, hindi wired yung cape niya. Very nice cloth. Actually, very fine. Hindi siya, ang ganda ng kanya cloth na texture din. And then you have the logo at the back. Head sculpt is on point. Kamukha nung actor talaga. Very cool. You have the hair na sculpted. Ang ganda ng pagka-part ng kanyang hair. And also you have the extension dun sa kanyang hair sa forehead. Ang expression niya dito para siyang neutral angry. Neutral angry face. You have the nose bridge. You have the eyes. Ang ganda ng pagkakapintura sa face talaga. Super, super. And then you also have the laser eyes effect. So merong red na gradient around the eyes and then you also have an angrier expression dito. Okay, let's try to equip the angry eyes na may laser effect. Very cool. Ang astig. Grabe. If you're a Superman fan and nanood kayo ng Superman na movie tapos gusto niyo magkaroon ng action figure and you also want this, punta lang kayo sa laruan ng mga ma'am sir. Grabe, sulit. 2,450 only. The overall color palette is blue, red, and yellow. Tapos, yung suit niya, different textures ulit. Ang galing ng gawa ni ZD, ni ano dito, ni FunJoy. different layers of textures din. So you have a bigger pattern ng texture dito. Tapos I think what is this? Hindi, one pattern lang ng texture pero different orientation. Okay, dito kasi pa straight, tapos dito ibang direction. So yun. Very nice head sculpt. You have the body suit, blue, merong mga gradient effect na mas darker na shade. Tapos ganun din sa mga yellow na parts. You have also the logo. Very cool na paint job yung ginawa nila. Walang mga overspray. And also maganda yung plastic quality. Very sturdy. Walang mga loose na joints. Pwede nyo ring i-articulate. No problem with articulation. Mamaya, puntahan, i-articulate natin tong figure. Let's see kung how much yung range of motion niya. Tapos, you also have the armor. You have the suit na lines or pattern dito from the chest, from the armpit to the middle of the stomach, pababa. You also have the lines here sa kanyang thighs and then dito sa kanyang knee pads, pati dito sa kanyang legs. And also, ganda rin ng kanyang red boots. Meron din gradient from dark to the base coat. Very, very cool Superman action figure. In terms of articulation, head can look up, down, tilt, 360 tilt, pwede. Okay. Cape, walang wired cape, hindi siya wired cape. Arms can rotate like this. May extension ba? Arms can move out like that. Bicep rotation, double jointed na elbow. Okay, dito ako mag-articulate kasi ito ano sira eh. Okay, tapos ball joint yung kamay. Stretch, tilt, pwede. Stretch that far. Ooh, ab crunch that far. Meron ba? Oh, in fairness Grabe ab crunch nito Ab crunch. Pwede siya umupo. Ab crunch that far. Very, very nice ab crunch. Okay, side to side. Feet, legs I think you can pull it down for extra, pero extra range of motion. Pero ito naghihinder na sa articulation. So yan lang ang kanyang kick. Back kick, very little na range of motion dahil nga dito sa kanyang pants o underpants. Okay? Tapos, can move that far. And then, double jointed yung knee. Also, ball joint yung paa with toe articulation. Let me check. Yeah, there you go. Overall, this is a very nice action figure from FunJoy. Superman 1/9 scale action figure. I think 1/9 scale is around 7.5 inches tall. Wait lang 7.5 nga ba to? Yeah. Yeah, it's 7.5 inches tall. Mas malaki to kaysa sa ZD Toys. So if you want this action figure, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook and Laruanan on Shopee for 2,450 pesos only. So yun lang mga ma'am, sir. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.